Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rashapi tak ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Ground, Shillong.
Hagini kisngi bamenta, layoi ya ke jingsim kia jong ke sarkar jela, bat kentiau ya ki nong sumar nong pang, da ki dawai kan bat, ki bana ke leng ke jela. Si benta nak ni ke jing persang jong ke sarkar, dang hene kisngi ka kat kenda trik mentau benai no pra arja kat pra. Ka office trekam jong ke District Medical and Health Officer jong ke East Castles District kala pelong i kelempong penina mi ki dawai kan bat ki babon jaj bat pencong doro i kini ki jaj dawai ya ke bala pelong ha pelau jong ke State Central Library Shillong ha ke jelang play ya kini kayo menteri sarkar bakmi i katnat ke koi ke khia uba Alexander Elheng ulalong kongsan katba u Dr. Pradeep Jethi uba mi khmat ya ke Adora Kerala Ayurvedic ulalong sembot kongsan iwedi ki baladan lang ki kentop Yau Secretary jong ke Health and Family Welfare Praveen Bakshi ubalong ru Mission Director jong ke Ayush Meghalaya. Lapanya ya ke jelang dekat District Medical and Health Officer I Dr. M.R. Basaiman bat layo ya ke jingkren pedang buram ya kinang wani sementa na ke District Nodal Officer Ayush East Castles District I Dr. S.I. Karshandi. Nang talayo jingkren lampang halor kita waikan bat na State Nodal Officer Ayush Meghalaya u Dr. D.K. Raswai.
Medicine has been exist from immemorial time. Keladon ngadu untuk impor membencua, agapor mengimport don ke medical college, import don ke medical science. Ke allopathy, the secretary had said that this medicine is the alternative medicines. But I am telling you the other way around. The allopathy medicine is the alternative medicine because it came later after the traditional medicines. Kini kiba ai dawai terai kiladon na do kapor hendai mendai thai ke medical science but ke medical scientific methods kawan hadir it would been there before since in memorial which I have told you West Khasi Hill, East Khasi Hills and the Ribhoi district and they have found about 57 medicinal plants which is used commonly by the traditional healers. Ong balai daduk upor arajar san arajar rio ke NEC kala kendop ya ke survey benwat ya kita ki dawai terai. Hak ta kapor kila yo ado san penyo tuli ki kenja dawai. Habalai itu ka bagi pedon ka man kapor da kinong ai dawai kesi. Jik along ni the issue is like this. Because the Khasi or the tribal medicinal healing system or the medicinal plan, it has not been documented. At the same time, they are not the organized sector. Kamdan belong organized. They are only confined in the place where they are living. It cannot be, spread over. Kim Khasi dawai jungi dawai terai jungi Kim Long Scientific. Dan kata kedau ngimla ban betengi kila ne bagi beriu jungi kin syania agi dawai jungi. Lada ngimla ban penito eki katkum ke certification. Ki paiba jungi kinumla ki beriu jungi kinumla ban syania agi ki dawai jungi kinumla ru ban ong ba ki dawai jungi kilong ki bala ban ai ki jikot ki jingkia lala lai datang gitu ki bayo ya kata ki jikot jingkia lingba ki jing sumar ka jungi babun ba kinung ai dawai kasi ki le ki babha tam ban ai dawai kasi ban yo ban ai ki jikot jingkia ki brio tambah don bade ka tu kat ni ki ba sedang ban ai dawai kendai kilong ki babakla na waktu ki babakla ki pen Sniu dur ru ya ki babha baro ki baju ai dawai ya kita ru bersniu dur lang no nomor ba ki klek lang ki bersniu kham pur kham bha kham step bani ki babha
kasih basong pun badan jinggot ba khat kendai tarik kuno pra arah jakat pra program bahapo jong Ayush demo penlong health department office jong di MHO kibana janaj ngai mentangi yalung oh hang ni hapo susu tham auditorium ka exhibition ni ka jing pin i ya ki dawai ken bat jing men toi jong ki ka exhibition ni ka jing pin i ya ki dawai ken bat jing men toi jong ki ya song ban pen ya dieu hang ni pen yo shibun jing pen i jing bantai ayurvedic homeopathic jing tung balong dawai jing bambai arab ki bangi ya bamba umren sun piat pusing bagi don haying shenja ka exhibition ni ka jing pen i ya ki dawai ken bat jing men toi jong ki ka exhibition ni ka jing pen i ya ki dawai ken